listen to you even in your silence, without giving way to indifference. And even though I know little about you, I vibrated. Imagine your voice. Often I catch myself dreaming to your wandering smile, to these faces that I would like to cover with kisses, to this art that I would like to be able to console. Because by listening to you even in your silences, I felt a kind of pain there, who could look like the one I know. The days when in life I no longer find attractions. Often I catch myself dreaming that I am by your side, that our outburst of love and tenderness, indeed our loneliness and distress, that words have become useless, faced with all our tactile sensitivity, where the slightest caress and the slightest kiss are right with all our will.